මේ වර්ක්ෂොප් එක ඇත්තරම ඩීමෝටිවේට් වෙලා ඉන්න එකේ කිසි මොනවාද කරගන්න බැරි කියලා දන්න එකේ අපි වගේ ස්ටුඩන්ට්ස්ලාට ඇත්තරම ගොඩක් වටිනවා මොකද දැන් A level year එක තමයි දැන් අපි ඉන්නේ ඒ නිසා ප්‍රෙෂර් එකත් වැඩි මොනවාද කරගන්න ඕනේ කියලා දන්න. ඉතින් මේ වර්ක්ෂොප් එකේ ආපු මිස්ටර් උදයංග එයා දීපු ටිප්ස් ගොඩක් වටිනවා ඇත්තරම ඔළුවේ කලින් තියාගෙන වැඩ කරන්න.
It has been a really fun program and we learned a lot about so basically it was all about achieving our goals and the road to achieve our goals, like how we are supposed to achieve them and the steps we have to follow.
Today was something very unique and I don't think people our age doing these subjects will get to experience such kind of a program.
But to be honest, it was very interactive. It was not at all what we expected. I think Mr. Udayanga was very smart and he had very unique methods to incorporate very valuable lessons to us by doing very various types of activities. Like he had a lot of lessons to teach us, but he also made it in a fun way that, like in a way, he approached them in a way that we would also be able to understand why these lessons are important to us.
It was very innovative. We played a lot of games and we bonded a lot. We got to know each other's goals and it was very helpful for us to understand how to achieve our goals. And we were also sort of encouraged to like help each other.
He told us there are basically 5 aspects he told us to focus on, which is to have a goal, which is to set a goal and to focus on it and to have creative solutions. Basically when we have problems to come up with creative solutions and to have a set of really helpful and motivating friends and while doing it to have fun throughout it.
ගොඩක් හොඳට අපිව මෝටිවේට් වෙලා ක්‍රියේටිව් තින්කින් ටීම් වර්ක් ඒ වගේ ගොඩක් ස්කිල්ස් ඩිවෙලොප් වුණා. ඒ නිසා මේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ටත් මම කියන්නේ මේ වර්ක්ෂොප්ස් වලට එන්න කියලා. මොකද එනකස ගොඩක් අපිට අපි වෙනුවෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් කරන සර් කෙනෙක්. ඒ නිසා මේ වගේ දේවල් වලට එන්න. මොකද ඒවා ගොඩක් වටිනවා. ඒවා ගොඩක් worth it.
I thank Anika sir and Udayanga Weerarathne sir for conducting this amazing outbound training program. Even though I found out about it in the morning, thanks to my friend, it was a truly valuable experience.
Yeah, and at the end we had a mini dancing session. Yeah, it was really fun and we learned a lot.
So please don't miss it out. Come there, be here and learn something. I thank Mr. Udayanga and our teacher, Mr. Udayanga, for organizing such an impactful event.
Thanks to Anika sir, we gained a lot from this event.
I really loved it. The practical experience, the impactful sessions we had, I really loved it.
As young students, I feel like it was something that we could relate to and we could actually understand. It was very fun and we were able to interact with other students as well, which I think is something that you don't get when you're just learning in the classroom. So overall, I think it was a very valuable experience and I would definitely recommend it because this is just an experience that goes beyond the classroom. And I think that we all really need it. And sometimes it's really good to take a break, but also while taking a break, you'll also be able to gain really good experiences. So yes, I would 100% recommend coming to this next year. Thank you.
Learn economics and business statistics with Anuka Eknath.